what's up YouTube, this is Rough Rider and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm riding a Yamaha R1. Pretty damn slick bike. And I think it has a race throttle or something. Brakes are not that great. No ABS on this bike. Fuck! Hate traffic. Well, everyone loves this bike, everyone. And the cross-plane crank is distinctly unique. The person who owns the R1 is riding my ER. He's a very grateful guy. Let me ride his R1. You see, you have to be really careful with these bikes because these models never got any electronics, not even an ABS. So riding them in such stupid traffic could be, pretty risky. Finally. There's the cross-plane power. There you go. Whoa. I thought because of the cross-plane crank, the race engine, it might be a little bit rough. But it's pretty smooth. It's very nice. I like it. But I was never really a fan of the R1. Whoa, this bike's fast. And the brakes are not great. Wow, that's crazy. This engine just doesn't want to stop revving. Long time back I had rode an R1, a similar looking one. This one's a 2011 model, that one was also a 2011. It had the Yoshimuras, and this one's loud. This one has the Toce on it. So that R1, the one I rode long time back with, was a little bit fucked up. So I didn't really like it, but this one's crazy. This one's smooth, seamless, and we're very happy revving engine. Well, there is nothing restricting you on this one. Like on the V4, I had the electronics restricting me. This one, my god. Okay, time to go fast. This bike is crazy, and the A mode is ridiculously fast. I mean, this bike scares me. No electronics, no ABS, just pure cross plane power. Lovely. Too much traffic. Whoa! Wheel spin on every damn gear. And it's so bloody loud. Everyone can hear you coming. I think I'm going to go deaf. Fuck! Okay, guys. I think that is enough for today. More than enough for today. Damn. Looks lovely, matte black color with golden rims, a 6-piston brake caliber, but still it doesn't work that great. Look at that! Okay. ये ऐसा बाइक है ना गांड फाड़ता है बे. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स नहीं है, ABS नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. ABS भी नहीं है ना इसमें. अरे टीम यार, अरे स्लाइडिंग यार. अच्छा अच्छा, नसी बड़ा कैच. चलो कोई नहीं यार. Fuck, your bike is crazy, dude. On every gear I get wheel spins on this bike. और एक पॉइंट पे तो आएगा टैंक स्लैपर भी पड़ा. फ्रंट एंड ना एकदम लाइट है इसका. फ्रंट एंड लिटरली ऐसा उठ रहा है सामने से. अमेजिंग बाइक. 140 on yours में. हाँ. That's it. I went 190 something. उसके बाद मैं आगे ही देख रहा था. 190. My God. Never done that. Bike needs to open up sometimes, you know. थोड़ा ब्रीथ करने को चांस मिलता है बाइक को. Oh, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.